Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got a bonus surprise of the unboxing of the Chrysler Corporation Turbine car from Johan. Still sealed in the box. 125 scale. This kit is number GC300. And I'm not sure what year this particular kit came out, but it has been one of my absolute favorites. And I saved it wrapped in plastic all this time, and I'm going to unbox it just for you guys. Here's some details. It has opening doors, white wall tires, super detailed turbine engine, steerable wheels, fold down front seats, that's cool, opening hood, super detailed underbody, opening trunk, super detailed interior. Apparently they were heavy on the super. And here is the address to where this one was put together, I guess, and made by Johan, Detroit, Michigan. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get right into this one. Hope everyone's having a great day. Find me a little spot here, a little tear in the plastic. There it is, guys. First time in I don't know how many years, but I'm opening it up just for you. Well, truth be told, I'm opening it for me too. I've always loved this car. And I've seen a couple of them in person, and it's just so amazing, you know. All right, there it is, folks. We'll take you along for the ride on this one. Wow, that's so cool. Oh man, it even smells good. You're all right, lined up there. Oh, okay. Well, right on top we got the chrome. There's that very distinctive, goofy looking front end, but whatever. There's some flashing on the back here, but it's pretty thick. I wonder if it helps hold it in place. I doubt it. I'll have to clean that up. Here's distinctive rear end. Here's, see it on the box there. That's a cool looking rear end. Very reminiscent of the Batmobile to me. And I think this is part of the dashboard. Wow. I don't recognize a lot of these parts because it's that turbine engine. So here's the wheels, rear axle cover, differential cover. Look like windshield wipers there. Steering wheel looks super tiny. That's funny. Side mirror, tachometer or speedometer. Says Chrysler on it. And other miscellaneous parts for the engine. Wow. Okay. Here's the instructions. Wow, look at that, guys. That's from the plastic. That's crazy. Now, the real car has got kind of a copper color to it. Very beautiful. I don't know what they were going for here, but this ain't copper. I don't think it started out as copper, and it definitely isn't finishing as copper. I'm all tied up here. Let's see what's going on, folks. Oh, in the heck? Okay. There we go. Well, I always start with the body. So here's the body. Aw, it's broken. Isn't that something? I've had this kit for, well, over 30 years I've had this kit. And to open it up and find it broken, it's just such a bummer. But that's what we do. We glue pieces together, so it's no different from gluing a regular piece into a broken piece. We'll figure it out. Opening doors, both sides, opening hood. Looks like it's going to have separate fenders. The trunk opens, show off that crazy engine. The quality of the plastic is nice. It says Turbine right there. Did I mention it's broken right here? No details on the inside. Very basic. Oh, the windshield wipers are molded in. So those other two parts are something else that I said were the wipers. It has a like a pattern on it for the vinyl top, so that's kind of cool. Do a little bit of fancy painting on that. And then the chassis is a whole separate piece. Put that down here. Here's the chassis. Decent plastic. Again, it doesn't feel like styrene plastic, just like the Johan Cuda that I showed a couple days ago or yesterday, whatever it was. The plastic feels different from regular styrene plastic. Like the mix is different. It's a little more almost like Bakelite, almost. You know, not quite, but almost. Well, this is cool. They have the fenders and doors, the inner doors, which are very basic. The seats, these look like the bottoms. Yep, seat bottoms. And the seat backs are here, okay. And the cushions, excellent. I think these are headrests. I'm not positive on that. This is the exhaust. It goes on the bottom. Here's the dashboard. So that chrome piece was not the dashboard. I'll have to figure that one out when I get the instructions. Here's the like coolant bladder bag for the inside. Although I don't think this has coolant. So what is that? It could be windshield washer bag. This is a turbine car. I don't think it has a radiator or coolant. Okay. Oh, here we go. Here's a nice little insert for the back seats. All right. A wheel cover, it looks like, for the spare tire, maybe. The hood, right here. Very nice looking hood. 2 more pieces for the exhaust. Some wheel parts. Here's the underside of the hood. And this is the basic engine block. Right there. That's kind of Star Wars looking kind of thing, you know? Wow. Alright. Here's the trunk with no detail whatsoever on the inside. Front carrier and the rear axle housing. Some leaf springs, a couple of batteries, more seat parts. I don't know what this is. This might be the bottom of the. Oh, this might be the bottom of the trunk. To give it, that's why there's no detail there. You glue this on the other side, and that gives it the ability to have the hinges on it and that. So that's cool. All right. Here's part of the frame. Wow. It's easy, the plastic even has a different smell to it than normal model plastic. That's weird. Here's a K member, or the suspension part for the front end. More front end parts. Little fan, steering wheel, right there. Yep. Some white wall tires. Those are cool. Need a little bit of trimming and cleaning up. White wall on one side, black wall on the other. And they are Goodyears. Goodyear tires. Basic tread there, less than desirable, especially with a turbine powered vehicle. Some taillight pieces. Now we have taillights and 2 little red lights. I'm not sure what those are for. We'll look that up when we get inside also. We'll go ahead and put all this back in here. I don't want any more damage than we already have. It's got to go one way or another. Here, that goes that way, that goes that way. Body goes on top. There, we'll take care of that in a minute. There's the glass. And here are the instructions, guys. A little bit more detail than the previous kit, but not much more. Look at the difference. There you go. The light finally shines on there perfect, guys. This is like a almost bright white, and this isn't. And that's actually from the plastic of the model, like getting absorbed into the paper, because it wasn't on the box at all. So here we go. Step 1, we put together engine and transmission. Oh, here we go. There's all kinds of things going on the inside. They explain to you the operation of the gas turbine engine. That's very cool. I like that. Alright. And those things that I thought were headrests are like parts of the side of the engine. I don't know. Here is more of the front and rear suspension assembly. Here's the interior. Oh, battery and battery cover that goes in the trunk. That's cool. Like that. Got some suggestions for painting. For added realism. Oh, this way. Get the body together. Yep, that one piece went to the bottom of the trunk, so that's very cool. We like that kind of stuff. What I didn't see is the doors. It's coming up here. Okay. Okay, all basic stuff there. Here's them other two pieces. These are the two that I thought were headrest. And these things, I don't know what the heck these are, but I'm still looking for that big piece of chrome. You would think it'd be right here. Let me go back. Okay. Oh, there it is, guys. It's part 51. It is basically what we would call a tunnel for the drive shaft tunnel, but there is no drive shaft from front to rear. So it's all chrome for the console. That's the word I was looking for. That's pretty neat. Hey, I can't wait to see this one put together. This is one of my favorite cars. It's going to have a special place in my mantle for me when the time comes. I'm in no hurry at the moment. So there you have it, folks. That is the Chrysler Turbine. Now, I believe the car itself was 61 or 62. I can't remember the actual year that it came out. And, of course, it doesn't say on the instructions. I'll have to look it up. I think it was 62. But I always thought it was way, way out there, far advanced for technology. Maybe it says it right here. Nope. That's interesting. It says, exclusive frame pack. No rubbing or scratching of parts. Every part securely locked in frames. Every frame held in position. No breakage. Well, that's a lie, as we found out. Parts evenly distributed. Easy location of all. All parts numbered. Virtually tamper-proof. Yeah, well. So there's that one cover is part of the spare tire cover for the trunk. Oh, the engine goes in the front. I always thought the engine was in the back. See there? We learn something new every day. So that is a drive shaft tunnel. What am I thinking? Yeah. I was because of the rear engine, I was thinking like a Volkswagen is powered from the rear. But it isn't. The engine's in the front, guys. My bad. I make mistakes. I'm human. So, alrighty, folks. I thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you stopping by. Model Car Guy rates out. We'll see you on the next one. Keep on modeling.